Hey Nelly Addicts, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today, instead of me doing stamping, I was so excited that I got my package in the mail yesterday, Friday, from ENail Couture. It is my first ever scoop that I purchased. I've been seeing this on YouTube for months now, and I've been watching all the videos. And at first I wasn't going to order one because I really wasn't feeling the items that people were getting in their scoops. I saw a lot of people getting like 5, 6, 7, 8 nail tips and full cover tips of the same item. But after seeing all those videos, I was like, well, you know what? Let me see what all the hoopla is about. So I ordered just one single scoop and 2 or 3, I think, additional items. And I'm going to be honest with y'all. I was absolutely surprised at what came in this box. I was waiting to see that I was going to have like 10 packages of honey beige or honey peach or whatever it was, and it was not like that at all. This box came with everything that a mystery box that I think should contain. I had a little something of everything, not too much, not too little. I didn't have anything in here that I would not be able to use at some point in my nail journey. I thoroughly enjoyed every single one of the items that I received. And I was just quite surprised because based on what I'd been seeing on YouTube, I was just kind of sort of a little weary about what all I was going to get. But I got to say, I was absolutely satisfied 100% with everything that I received. While I was watching everyone get their scoops and do their unboxing, in my mind I was trying to picture what all I would use this stuff for. I haven't seen too many videos that showed people using the products that they got out of their scoop. So if you guys stay tuned for a few more minutes, I'm going to show you the nail set that I created with just using items that I got out of this scoop. Hopefully there will be some more videos coming up from other YouTube content creators showing how they're utilizing their products, because all of the stuff that's in here was very interesting. And as a nail person, I love to collect all types of nail goodies. And I just don't want the stuff to sit there and just look pretty. I want to be able to utilize my products. Y'all been watching my channel. Y'all know I'm really big on using the stuff that I already have before I go out and try to purchase more stuff. I've been following Max and ENail Couture products through Femi Beauty channel on YouTube for about 2 years now. So I've always been aware of his company. However, when I went to go look on his site, everything just seemed really expensive. And I just thought, well, I'll just wait for a sale. So having him do these scoops was for me a great way for him to introduce his products, and also a way for me to go back on his website, because if I like this stuff, it'll probably make me go back on the website and look for other stuff by him that I like. And I like the general aesthetic of his brand. I love pink, and I love the little characters and just the way it's very fun, very upbeat. Some people might think it's a little kiddish, but I don't think so. I really like the whole look of his brand. I've always heard about this bubblegum gel, and gummy jelly. So I ordered that separately because I wasn't sure if I was going to get it in my scoop or not. And then he also had these cute wheel of rhinestones on sale. I think I paid maybe $2 a piece for them. I started to go through the stickers because they were $1 a piece. And I just got overwhelmed because it literally went into the hundreds of different kinds of stickers you could get. So I just said, if I get stickers in my scoop, that's fine. If I don't, that's fine too. So I only got 2 sheets of stickers, and one of them was, when I looked at it, it was Halloween. And the other one, it looks more like graffiti. I don't know if you guys have seen these stickers before. I can't say that I've seen anybody else with them. I'm sure other people have them. I just considered it to be kind of like graffiti for the second one, and Halloween. And that's fine because I have Halloween stickers anyway. The bubblegum jelly, I think you use that to put your tips on. And also I wanted to say about the wipes, they are really soft and really quality. I almost don't even want to use them to use for my brushes and stuff. They are just that soft and thick, and I do plan on cutting them in half because they are really a large square, and I think I can get more use out of them that way. Unfortunately, I won't be able to swatch the ENail Couture acrylic that I received because I didn't have any monomer right there next to me at the time. I will be using it at some point, but not on this video. I was very happy that I got some gel nail polish, and the colors I got were something that I could use, navy blue and a neutral kind of a chewed up bubblegum grape color. And I also got the liners, which were 3 different colors, and I absolutely did not have anything in my stash that had any of these colors that I was sent. And this apron is so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it, but it's definitely cute to have. I don't have anything like it, and I'm really glad that it came in my scoop also. Lo and behold, look what was at the bottom of the bag, of the box. I mean, monomer. I just said that I wasn't going to be able to swatch the acrylic because I didn't have any monomer next to me, and there it was. I'm still not going to swatch it, but I just thought that was really ironic. So here is the total box of goodies that I received from my first ENail Couture scoop. And now I'm going to get into utilizing my products. I think this set came out so cute, so pretty. It's very soft and spring. I just absolutely love the way this came out. And I want to see if anybody else is going to make some videos, not just with the unboxing. I want to see some more videos with people using these products, because I need some ideas and inspiration for all these nail goodies that I received. When I got the nail tips for the Eternal Beige Almond, and then I looked and seen the transfer foil, this peach one just stood out. It seemed like everything just coordinated, from these little round colorful balls to the clear and AB rhinestones. And then I thought, well, it's not springtime. I'm ready for spring. And it's still February, so I'm still kind of feeling pinks and reds and all of those pretty colors too. So to me, this just worked perfectly. And I do like transfer foils. I'm getting a lot better at using them. Y'all know I've tried to use the transfer foil glue and gel. I really like the Maniology. But for this one, I decided to use McCart's foil gel. And I did buff the top of the tips before I applied any of the gel products on there, because I didn't know if it was going to actually stick. So I did kind of buff it to take off a little bit of the shine. And it didn't ruin the tip or anything. They still transferred just as good. The liner brush was a tad bit not difficult to work with. I'm just used to using a more slimmer brush with like less bristles. So I think for liner gels, I'm just going to use one of my art liner brushes instead of using the brush that comes with it, because the lines, I couldn't get them to the thinness that I wanted, and I didn't get them as even as I wanted either. But I still wanted to stick with just using the products at hand. So this is the complete set, Nelly Addicts. I think it came out so cute. I absolutely love it. You guys let me know down in the comments, did you get a scoop from ENail Couture? Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.